Paris, New York, and Milan have been the beauty and fashion capitals for decades. But one of the latest destinations for fashionistas and beauty lovers is somewhere else. Travellers from around the world find a truly outstanding beauty area right in the heart of Copenhagen Airport. The LookLab is the perfect place to find new brands and countless inspirations, entertaining its audience with an electrifying atmosphere and lots of surprising elements, creating moments of magic and joy, giving beauty itself a completely new face and passengers a unique and very personal experience. The LookLab is a social media connected beauty hub, offering a whole new perspective on the latest trends and brands, shared immediately with millions of people. But Copenhagen is just the beginning. What makes passengers feel hugger here will soon be established in airports all over the world. Be part of it. Join the worldwide LookLab community.